So, what do you think? AI is just another hype, or it's a next revolutionary thing? No matter which industry you are in, no matter how you are delivering values to the society, you can always use artificial intelligence and machine learning So, either you may be thinking for a startup in AI, or you may be just thinking for your major project in AI. Let us help you to understand the basic terms and basic terminologies related to AI and ML. We have developed this short course on artificial intelligence and machine learning